Hi, Rana here from Technical SU Team for Lemon. Today we will learn how to use the bird.google.com, the bird AI for making content brief. So for this purpose, I'm using this bird.google. Here you can write a simple prompt, check Google search and back with an improved content brief based on analysis against this keyword. Output will be a content brief. Okay. Here you can see it's giving the content brief based on the competitor analysis from Google SERP. The target audience, homeowners with patios, decks, and balconies. Key point to differentiate. For content, and if you want to rank in the Google, I think the Google Bird is most reliable than ChatGPT because it's using the algorithms and it can understand the rules and other stuff of the Google. Also, you can use this for content generation, but it's unable to generate the long form content. But yes, you can get the content briefs and use this on ChatGPT to write the long form article. Also, you can use the Cloud for this purpose. You can find more videos on the same channel, how to use the Cloud for long form articles and how to use a ChatGPT for the write articles in bulk. So I think it's a simple process. And tap the like button, subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you.